Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am actually on my lunch break right now. And of course, I go onto my portfolio and look at it's a surprise for me because I was not expecting another back-to-back green day at such a freaking huge scale. Look at that. I'm up $3,840 so far today. And oh my God, and in the past week, up $7,766. And finally, after a long waiting freaking Neo is awake and it's finally up 5%. The sleeper is awake now. And hopefully by March 1st, at least that's what it says on Robinhood, Neo will most likely, and remember, I'm no financial advisor, most likely break through its all-time highs of 66.99. So basically another $6 maybe. And if the look at that, just another 125 bucks, and we're gonna hit 40K. We haven't hit $40,000 since last year of February 19th. And we're gonna see by February 19th of this year if we can actually break through and beat our all-time high. Hopefully we can. The market is just going crazy right now. Oh my God, the only thing that I bought today, I actually bought one share of Corsair Gaming about when it was down 6%. It's slowly recovering upwards. So I think it's a pretty good deal. All-time highs were at $51. So if it goes back up to 51, you'll have a pretty good percentage on you. If you like to get a good deal, that's probably the only one today. Then there's Tesla down 2%, Dropbox down 2%. And that's basically all. My main guys, Neo up 5%. You see my Aphria up 23%. I was telling you guys that I was expecting Aphria to hit 20 bucks by the end of the year. And I was saying like maybe it will hit $20 by the end of the freaking day. And look what happened. It's rocketing past 20 bucks. Now it's at $23. If it has another 2 more days like this, it's gonna go past $30. Oh my God. That's crazy. This thing is just going crazy right now. Holy. I'm up 207% on this baby. And I still have my long-term option play on it. Look at this. Come on, man. Up 398%. Damn, boy. That's crazy. Hopefully you guys are making money. I'm telling you, I put you guys on these things, man. Look at this. Sheesh. Aphria is awake, and it's not going back. Oh, my God. It is getting really close to hitting 40K. Hopefully we hit 40K by the end of the day. Just $200 more. I'm not planning on selling any of these, at least not right now. I believe all of these would finally be huge companies into the future 5 years from now. So Neo, 62 bucks right now, it's nothing to what I think it's going to be in a few years from now. Aphria, same thing. I was expecting it to hit 20 bucks by the end of this year. Might hit $40 if it just keeps going up like that. And I wouldn't be surprised if this hits a market cap of 20 billion by the end of the year. I mean, it's going to be one of the biggest. It's going to be like the leader in the cannabis industry. Like what? Shopify finally waking up. $1,400 just like that. And I was looking at this baby when it was at 1,000. And I was actually looking at this one when it was 300 bucks. I actually bought some and sold it off like an idiot. But this time I'm not going to sell off on this one. This one's going to hit. If there's no splits, this is going to hit $10,000 a share. I bet you. Long term, 10K per share. And it's finally awakening. This one's also finally awakening. It's been asleep for a little bit. It's rocketing upwards now. Same thing with Jumia. All base like my freaking poll has just been going crazy because my top 4 stocks, the ones I have the most equity in, just keep going up and up and up. And look at even MP Materials is waking up. Jesus Christ. Damn. That's just crazy. I was not expecting a green day like this. 2 green days back to back like this. Amazing. Hopefully you guys are doing good just like me because oh my God. Look at this. 2 days, I made it basically $6,000. $6,000 in 2 days. That's amazing. Just a little quick update on my lunch break. I'll catch you guys later after I get off. Hopefully, the market continues to stay green for me. And I mean, I'm just getting lucky right now because I don't have any cash, and there's basically just the market just keeps going up for me to stack my cash slowly over time. Um, but anyways, I'll catch you guys on the next one in a couple hours, most likely.